Hello and Merry Christmas. Austria. It is a federal republic. It is divided into 9 states. It is a landlocked country. It borders the Czech Republic and Germany in the north. Germany, Czech Republic. It borders Hungary and Slovakia in the east. Hungary, Slovakia. It borders Slovenia and Italy in the south. Slovenia and Italy. To the west, it borders Switzerland and Liechtenstein. Switzerland, and I can't find Liechtenstein. It lies within the Alps. The official language is Austrian German. The capital of Austria is Vienna. Typical dishes are Wiener Schnitzel, Schweinsbraten, Sachertorte and cream, and there are the wines. Typical Austrian dishes are Wiener Schnitzel, Schweinsbraten, Knödel and Sachertorte. Austria produces white wines and red wines. It produces schnapps, a type of fruit brandy. Red Bull was invented in Austria. The geography. The southern limestone Alps are partly in Austria. In the eastern part of Austria, there are lowlands and the Pannonian plains. It has access to Lake Constance or Bodensee. It is near the highest mountain ranges of the Alps, hilly areas north and south of the Alps, and extensive plains and the large lake Neusiedler Sea. Nearly 10% of the entire nation is either extreme alpine terrain or beyond the tree lines. This means it is not suitable for agriculture. Forests cover another 40% of the country. The Alps can be divided into 3 mountain ranges. Running in the east-west direction are the northern calcareous Alps, the Central Alps, granite base, the highest mountains of Austria, are part of this range, the southern calcareous Alps. The non-alpine regions of Austria are divided into the northern alpine foreland, the hills of northeastern Austria, the southeastern alpine foreland, the alpine foreland and part of the Pannonian plain in eastern Austria include some hilly areas. This plain is very fertile. The most important mountain passes are the Semmering Pass with access to the south, the Piern Pass between Upper Austria and Styria, the Tauern Pass in Salzburg, and the Brennen Pass in Tyrol, cut through the Alps along a north-south axis. The Danube. The Danube is the most important river. It is the only major river in Europe to flow from west to east. The Danube has an economic role. The Rhine-Main-Danube Canal as a crucial axis of the European productive triangle. Through the Rhine-Main-Danube Canal in Bavaria, the traffic can travel from the North Sea to the Black Sea. North Sea? Black Sea. Vienna. This is the Museum of Natural History. Vienna is located in the northeast of Austria, near the Alps, in the Vienna Basin in the east. It stands on the river Danube. The weather is warm in summer and dry and cold in winter. There is moderate rainfall throughout the year. This is the capital city. It is a World UNESCO Heritage Site. It is host to many international organizations like the United Nations and OPEC, Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. It is the city of music because Mozart was born here. It is also called the City of Dreams because it was home to Sigmund Freud. Vienna Museum of Natural History. You can find many artifacts here. The main fields of research cover the origins of the solar system and the evolution of plants, animals, and humans. They also research prehistoric traditions and customs. Baroque Palace, Trautson, Vienna Technical Museum, the Golden Hall in the Musikverein. The Vienna Technical Museum, there are permanent exhibitions on nature and knowledge, astronomy, physics, industry, mass production, musical instruments and information and communication media. The Musikverein Concert Hall, the Vienna Philharmonic Orchestra, is based in the Musikverein. Mozart Museum. This museum is dedicated to Amadeus Mozart. It is the only surviving residence. He only lived here for 3 years. Bye-bye.